Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I customize this denim jacket. So make sure to watch until the end to know the whole process. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first step that we are going to do is to plan what design you want for your jacket. I'm just going to search some random things in Google to get some cool inspiration, and I decided to paint Tanjiro for my jacket design. For the second step, apply the first layer of white color to the surface that you want to be painted. You can also use tape to prevent unwanted paint around the edge. Once the paint is dry, we can now proceed to the third step, which is sketching. Finally, the sketch is done, and now it's time for the fourth step, which is painting.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play.
So for this design, I will be using white, black, red, and green paint.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Oh, don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing. Ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah. Let you down.
I'm almost done with the design, so I think it's time for the fifth step, which is to do some final touch and check your work if you don't forget any details. finally done with this part, and I decided to add also some small details design in front and side sleeve of the jacket. So, let's do it. Just follow the 5 steps that I shared to you previously, and for sure you can do this too. Finally, the customized jacket is done. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I, carefree attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray.
This video is pretty much done, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.
What happened to euphoria?